I've got 3 baskets and I might even need a 4th. Today we're starting with squash, and this is a smooth criminal. Bossa Nova. This is zucchini and it's called Cash Machine. I've had a lot of people ask me how I prevent squash bugs and squash vine borer on my squash and my pumpkins, but I don't. They are there. I just do my best to try to mitigate them early. So if I see squash bug eggs, then I squish them and I make sure that they're off the leaves, like that. And if I see little nymphs like this, I try to squish those early and young. Sorry guys. Moving on to garlic. I know that garlic is ready when more than half the plant is brown and crispy. I don't always want the plant to be completely brown and crispy, but this right here is the perfect time. This is a purple variety called Purple Glazer. This one here is a little farther gone than I usually like, but oh well. Oh no! That's actually why you shouldn't be pulling the garlic. Or I'm sorry, I should not be pulling the garlic. That is the reason why you shouldn't be doing that. But I love the sound that it makes. Oh man, I'm actually mad at myself. Come on. Oh my goodness. It's only half a bulb. Oh my God. That was really stupid. I just didn't think it would happen twice. But yeah, it did. So more fresh garlic for me. I've got a shovel though this time. Oh, and it's so big too. That's huge. Okay, we're gonna do one more, but this time I'm gonna be smart and I'm only gonna use the shovel. There we go. Nice. Moving on to raspberries. Look at how pretty they look, especially when they're like hanging underneath like that. Oh, I love it. There are so many, it's a little overwhelming. It's interesting because at quick glance, it doesn't look like there's a whole bunch, but when you really get in here and just lift up the leaves, they're hiding everywhere. Like everywhere I turn, there are more and more berries. It's really incredible. Wow. Look at all of those raspberries. I harvested 2 days ago. 2 days ago. I'm gonna take this kohlrabi here. There we go. Moving on to peppers, and this is called a Fulju jalapeno. Fulju jalapenos are the best, in my opinion, for salsa because they have all of the taste of the jalapeno, but none of the spice. They also look exactly like regular jalapenos, so you gotta be careful. I'll put the Fuljus over here, and I'll get some regular jalapenos, as well as a purple jalapeno. And these can go over here. I want some of this beautiful Swiss chard. Wow. This is just so gorgeous. It also comes in yellow. More basil, of course. Oh my gosh, as I was harvesting this basil, I look up and amongst the melons, I see some purple basil popping up. I guess I forgot that I planted it over there too. That's so funny. You know what? It's right here too. I wonder if this purple basil reseeded because I guess I planted it last year. That would be why I don't remember planting it. Wow, it's so vibrantly purple. And look, it's right next to a baby cantaloupe. I am gonna take the top just to encourage this to bush out just a little bit. And it's definitely time to take some of this calendula. The wild chamomile is pretty much done for, so let's get some of the ones I grew. I'm gonna take some of this oregano that's reseeded itself right here. I'll take some of this apple mint. This is my favorite variety of mint to use with my chamomile tea. And some tricolor sage. And of course, we've got to pick some potatoes. Red gold. Ooh, that is a really big one. Oh, it's attached. There's another big one attached. I think these are Yukon gold, but the plants have completely died back. Wow. Woohoo! Oh my goodness, look at that. Fingerling, French fingerling. Let's see what we got. Got a couple of little ones. Here. A little bit of digging. Wow, that wasn't long. What? That is a huge French fingerling. That actually might be the biggest French fingerling potato I've ever seen. Wow. Yeah, go ahead. Look, see how big that one is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. I think I see another one. Look at that. Whew. All right. Great harvest, but it's hot. Right? Is it hot? Yeah.
Can I have a raspberry?
You can have a raspberry.
Yeah.